Oh, 49,296 lines. Lines of code, total lines of code. That doesn't count SQL and server-side JSP code and any of the Linux stuff. Doesn't count any of that. 49,200 and some 96 lines of code. That's what my tool, my IDE, tells me I have written for this project. Total, Encompass. That's a lot of code. So I've just recently upgraded the server-side code. I've put in the necessary hooks to work with PayPal. So those of you who subscribe, and because I've been able to hook in with PayPal and make this automated, I've been able to drop the costs because I don't have to have someone sitting here dealing with the licenses. So I don't have to pay someone to deal with the licenses. I've got PayPal with some of their new APIs working hopefully really good. We'll find out more as more of the month-to-month licenses come online. It's all good. So this has been a fun project and definitely turning into a product now. Last time I checked, I had 15 stores that went either for, I believe, 2 of them went to cart only, and the rest of them went completely to checkout, and your product is in the mail. I got people testing the drops right now. I don't have any more free beta space, but you can get a license for the beta code that will carry you forward as long as you pay the license of $36 a month. It will carry you forward for as long as you pay the license through every iteration of code. So anytime there's an update, you can either be on the beta cycle or you can be on the alpha cycle, whichever one you want, where we do a stable release and it goes out the door, or you can get a release that kind of takes place every few days. Either way, as long as you pay that license, you will get an upgrade of the code. As the code improves, you will get an upgrade. Your license fee won't go. When you stop paying the license, you move to the back of the bus. So that's where we're at. Again, I'm trying to limit this because there are lots of really great people in this industry. I have learned a lot. I didn't realize that I was already had the capability for sneakers and SNK and the other Nike site. So I had just modified my code to do one Nike site when it already did the other one. So I had to merge my code back together so I could do both Nike and sneakers. I've got all the foot stores. I'm going through the processes of adding more and more, dealing with the anti-bot work. The anti-bot work is interesting and unique. I really like what these guys are doing to try to prevent bots from coming in. And if it's a delicate process. That's a good reason to call it a ninja bot, because it has to sneak in there and be delicate about what it does, because it just can't go in like a bull in a china shop or you get banned. Anyway, how do I know that? Yeah. Okay, so anyway, it's been fun. I am doing a limited drop. We're doing the beta drop now. If you want to be part of the beta testing group and carry this license all the way forward for as long as you want to do this, cool. I've got some guys who have some great ideas, and I'm going to integrate them with their guidance. So this is a fun, long-time project. Be doing it for years, I think. And if you want to, like I said, be part of it now and contribute, great. Contribute by, buying your license now in the beta state. That would be good. What can I say? 49,000 lines of code. By the time I get done, it's probably going to be over 100. A lot of code. If I was just writing this for myself and all I had to do is flip on a computer and flip an IDE switch or just something, it would be 1/10 of that amount of code. But since it's being written for other people to use and in ways that I'd never thought of, the code just keeps growing. And fortunately, it's not brittle code, meaning that I don't break things when I change it. It's, the wonderful thing about being a programmer with lots of experiences, I could see that some of these changes were coming. A few things do get cut open and moved, but for the most part, this is a modular type program, and I just expand the modules or modify the interfaces. Enough boring stuff. Unless you're a programmer, you don't know or care what I just talked about. So the bot is progressing. You are welcome to join now. Let's get you in on the betas. I've already got about 10% of this group already out. I'd like to get the rest 50 or 60% out. I can only take them in so fast, but now that I've got the PayPal integration. Let's see if I can take them in faster. For a while there, I was a little overwhelmed with just responding to people wanting their license keys and then responding to their needs. So with the automation here, hopefully that I won't be overwhelmed with responding to people's license keys and desires anymore. So anyway, Wednesday night, it's good to see you. I'm enjoying this. My computer's hot. It's enjoying it. And that's it. Talk to you soon. If you're interested, now's the time. Jump in on a beta license, and it will carry you forward to a full license as long as you decide to keep paying for it. Take care. Talk to you later. Happy Wednesday night. Good to see you again. Take care. Bye.